Arangkada Balita, we ensure that the news lineup that we create on a daily basis is dynamic in a way that it works well together.
Wini-weigh in din namin yung mga balitang lumalabas kasi as a segment producer, kami yung in charge sa kung paano lumalabas yung mga video na napapanood nyo.
It's fun. It's fun. Like, going to the office is already in itself motivating.
One tap away lang na pag may concern ka, madali mo lang makakausap.
Arangkada from the word itself. So, kailangan straight to the point ang mga balita na nilalabas namin. So, hindi kami nagpapaligoy-ligoy. Siguro, dapat wini-weigh in din namin yung mga balitang lumalabas kasi as a segment producer, kami yung in charge sa kung paano lumalabas yung mga video na napapanood nyo, kung paano siya kinikwento.
Sa Arangkada Balita, we ensure that the news lineup that we create on a daily basis is stitched siya in a way na dapat engaging siya pag pinanood ng tao, and at the same time, it's dynamic in a way that it works well together.
When picking topics for the day, syempre may mga viral posts, may mga viral videos. When it comes to pitching, itatap ko lang yung writer, yung producer namin na for this day, pwede po itong i-release sa newscast natin or sa balita.
In terms of fact-checking, I have to make sure that the material or the news that I'm looking at is from a verified news source. You have to have your own understanding, one, of the news item, second, the script. You should also have the sense or the logic to connect the dots. Kasi yun nga, researcher ka, di ba?
Actually, I'm very proud of the team kasi kahit hindi kami sobrang dami, we still manage to put out the best in every day.
Public servants na rin kami per se kasi nga, syempre, responsible kami sa mga information na nalalaman ng mga tao. So,
Nakakatuwa and I'm thankful na dinala ko ni Lord dito sa Arangkada Balita.
Nandun pa rin yung motivation. Kasi if you're stressed happily, it doesn't matter. Because at the end of the day, you know that you did a good job and you're with people who actually want to work with you.
Here we go, here we go.